In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option responsible for the human milk protein digestion at the initial level. For this, let me understand the various type of protein digestion. In the first box, the pepsin is converting the protein into proteases and peptide. This case, we are observing with most of the protein other than milk protein. Whereas in the second case, we are observing exclusively for the milk protein casein that is getting converted into para-casein because of the renin enzyme action. And calcium ion, after interacting with the para-casein, makes calcium paracaseinate complex. This calcium paracaseinate complex is becoming peptone and proteases because of pepsin action. With this specification, we are choosing option C. Renin is the correct answer. Why? Because renin is an important enzyme facilitating the human milk protein digestion, unlike lipase, trypsin, and pepsin. So we are choosing option C as the correct answer to secure 4 mark. With this illustration, we are giving a point-wise narration to have a recap and also to take the NEET notes for future reference. Renin, also referred as kinesin, is an enzyme found in gastric juice and it is a component of rennet. By converting carcinogen to casein, it coagulates the milk. Renin is responsible for the first stage of milk digestion in human. With this specification, we choose an option C as the correct answer to secure 4 mark.